So let's talk a little bit about how this all went down. A new company took over the station that I was working at. They decided to make some changes, and it's their prerogative to do so. And I was one of the changes that they made. What I did then was tape a video, and I wasn't sure whether or not I was going to share it or whether or not I was going to use it or how it was all going to go down. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and this is a kind of difficult video for me to do. I don't even know if I'm going to show anybody this video, but I thought I might as well go ahead and record it and have it just in case. I was laid off from my job. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye. Welcome to Semi Full-Time. This is the story of me losing my job, selling my house, looking for a new job, and living semi full-time in my RV. I hope you are enjoying the series so far. Still a lot to get to, but going to keep sharing as much as I can with you as long as possible. Hey, if you like the content that you're seeing here, please make sure you click and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that whenever a new video comes out, you are notified. And a reminder, new videos come out every Thursday here on the channel, and then the regular travel videos and cooking videos every Monday right here on the RVJedeye channel. So last week we talked a little bit about me losing the job and what it was like as I felt it for the first time, trying to figure out what was going to happen next. As some of you know, because in the very first video I alluded to the fact that I was selling my house, I had to make a tough decision. And one of the things about moving forward is making sure that I was prepared for whatever's going to happen next. For me, I work in the news business, and I knew that my next job probably is not going to be in Tallahassee, so I had to look all over the country and beyond for whatever the next thing was going to happen. So one of the things that I had to make a decision about is what to do with my home. I loved my home, been in it for a couple of years, did some improvements and really got it to a place where I really enjoyed it. But I had to be open and honest to myself about what was going to happen next. And realistically, that meant selling the house, because I didn't want to get into a situation where if I got a job offer later, I was scrambling at the last minute to try and sell it. So right after finding out that I was out of a job, I spent some time thinking to myself, trying to figure it out, and made that decision to sell the house. So that means I have to make some very difficult decisions, and one of the decisions I have to make is what to do with my house. I bought my house just a couple of years ago, actually about a year and a half, maybe a little bit longer than that, but I haven't been in it that long, but it's something that I've put my heart and soul in and love. So I have to make a very difficult decision, and I had to make it today. I met with my realtor. We looked at the comps in the area. We looked at what most likely is going to happen to me professionally. And I made the decision to put my house on the market. It's a tough decision. Again, I really love my house. But again, I'm probably not going to end up here in Tallahassee. It's a time of year that you really want to get your house out if you can, especially in Tallahassee, because folks are getting ready to come back to school in August, so it makes sense to get it listed. And after looking at the numbers, it just makes sense. So it's a real tough moment for me, and I don't know how I fully feel yet. I don't know what this is going to be like for me moving forward. I'd love to maybe hit lotto and and make a ton off the sale of the house so that I could just RV full time, but that's not realistic. So I'm going to have to get a job and work someplace and still do the RVing. But it does mean I have to give up my house. So, again, I don't know when I'm going to share this. I just wanted you guys to know that today was a very difficult day because I had to make that decision and make that call. Hopefully this won't be the last house I own, but at least right now it's what I think I have to do. So that's it. I just wanted to share. You guys have always been very supportive, and as I said, I've tried to be as open and honest with you as I can, and this is just me doing that. So thank you for listening, and I will keep you up to date on everything RV Jedeye and David as we move forward. Thanks. So I can still remember what that day was like. It was really hard for me to make that decision, but I did it with some good research, some important information to make sure I was making the right call. And in the long run, I think it worked out. So coming up, we're going to be talking a little bit about the process of getting the house ready to go and get that out on the market and everything I did to do that. And we're going to continue to talk about living semi-full-time in my RV. I say semi-full-time because right now, although I am full-time in my RV, I do anticipate hopefully getting employed again. And unless something magic happens, I'm probably going to have some form of sticks and bricks to be based out of, but I'm not giving up on the RVing. I love it too much. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. You can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Thank you so much for watching this series. Lots more coming your way. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you next time.